supports PBS Kids, where tons of knowledge is packed into curious minds. Empty Zoo Pals plates and cups. Learning to the table.
Kids come in all shapes, sizes, and abilities. At CBS Camera, through our program All Kids Can, we envision a world where all of these children can come together to learn, play, and succeed. Learn more at cbsallkidscan.com.
To not have. I know there's a lot of negatives there. But
an Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. The Hammond Police Department is investigating the abduction of a child and mother, Yolanda Walker, from Hammond, Indiana. Raphael Bebineau is a 2-month-old black male, 1 feet 8 inches tall, brown wavy hair, green eyes, and a dimple in his chin. Child's clothing is unknown. Yolanda Walker is a 20-year-old black female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, brown hair and hazel eyes. Ms. Walker was last seen wearing a white T-shirt and Grinch pajama pants. She has a birthmark under one eye. The child and mother were last seen at 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time on Sunday, October 2nd, 2016 in Hammond, and is believed to be in extreme danger. Hammond, Indiana is 23 miles south of Chicago, Illinois. The Hammond Police Department believes the child and mother were abducted by his non-custodial father, Ralph Bebineau, a black male. Suspect vehicle is believed to be a gold Chevy Trailblazer or similar type SUV. License plate number is unknown. If you have any information on Raphael Bebineau or Yolanda Walker, contact the Hammond Police Department at 1-888-58-AMBER.
Lighting 3W. Mobile. And changes how they learn. See how America's largest classroom is helping to build.
Ask a Lotta. Ask it, test it, find a way. Guess with Jess, come on, let's play. What's the question here today?
What do we need to grow beans?
Mimi knows about growing things. Let's ask Mimi.
Huh?
We can't ask Mimi. It's meant to be